video, may ipapakilala ako sa inyo kasi may nadagdag po sa amin. Meron kaming additional member of the family. Papakita ko siya sa inyo kasi matagal namin pinag-isipan to eh. Tsaka kailangan may specific na kulay at tsaka itsura niya. Kasi merong bawal dito sa bahay. So, ipapakilala ko siya sa inyo. No.
It's a box.
No, it's a cat.
I know, it's a box. A cat in a box.
Where is your brother?
Upstairs.
Alex.
Changing.
There. He's there.
A cat in a box.
Alex.
It sounded like...
I'm just saying, anyone there.
Come downstairs, please.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Come on. Get there.
A white kitten
So that's what it's
with
box
a
for.
black ear and black nose.
I wanna.
Touch her.
No. It's not a toy.
I know.
Cute.
Kitty.
Oh. I have to give her a shower.
What time?
See, look, oh.
She's dirty.
It's kind of dirty. You know if she's dirty.
Yeah, look at the tail. It's very long. Yeah, I know, baby. Do you like it?
Yes,
Alex?
it's so cute.
Mom, why
Do you like it?
Sorry?
So, yan ang ating new member of the family. Luna.
The cat.
Her name is Luna.
And I'm currently playing her using something. And she's good at catching them.
Kagabi lang namin siya nakuha.
Luna.
So, dito muna siya sa bathroom kasi medyo mailap pa siya eh. Oh, she is Siamese.
What's that?
Seal Point Siamese.
That one is good.
Ayaw namin ng mabalahibo na pusa, kaya Siamese ang kinuha namin. Ayaw namin ng Persian or yung mga fluffy. Short hair siya.
Luna. She's good. Luna.
Huwag dyan, Alex. Huwag sa pating. She's almost 3 months old. Good job. Additional member of the family. Do you like her?
Yes.
Do you like her, Alex?
Yes. The thing is, she hides a lot.
What?
The thing is, she just hides. I mean, I know because she's scared, but they also get a yarn bowl. This kennel is a yarn bowl too.
Well, you have to give her time. It's just her first day here.
It's second.
Well, it was last night and then she fell asleep. So it's like it's her first day. Dinala ko siya sa vet kanina, kaso ayaw siya bigyan ng anti-rabies kasi dapat 1 week daw muna siya dito sa amin. Kasi mai-stress daw siya. Tsaka wala pa siyang 3 months. So, kailangan 3 months. Ang dami niyang kuto kagabi. Kagabi kasi namin siya nakuha eh.
It's like 51.
Pag uwi namin kagabi, ang dami niyang kuto, kaya pinaliguan. Pero ngayon, wala na siyang kuto.
It's like 54.
Wala lang natira, kahit isang kuto. Medyo mailap pa siya. Magkawan. In the middle.
She kind of looks like he's standing up.
Oo.
Oh my god, that hurts.
Just in the middle.
No, I just let it play out. That kind of hurts.
I just come on, let's her jump. Jump. Jump.
I can't jump, he's so fast. Oh, I think the pup, she's so small but she can jump higher. Higher than that fish. See, but cats do land in her feet, so she's okay. Yeah, see, look, she's really good. You're a man low, my friend. Usually when she really gets scared, she hides in there.
She likes it. The head turning then. Gusto niya na dito sa sa couch. Gusto niya matulog sa couch. Second day niya pa lang today. Mukhang okay na naman siya. So, girl po siya. So, hindi na ako ang nag-iisang girl sa bahay. Meron ng pangalawang girl. Ang pretty niya. Welcome to the family, Luna. Almost 3 months na siya. Tulog na tulog. Kuya, what do you think of the cat?
I like it.
Why so serious? Do you like the cat?
Yes.
Nag-i-enjoy. So you like the cat? How about you, Daddy?
Yes, I like that. But that,
Why are you walking away?
but that versus Sphinx cat. No, I don't. I just prefer cat.
How about you, Kuya Alex? What do you think of the cat? Okay. That's what you want, right? A white cat? A white and black?
Yeah, the front of the black.
It's not that white, it's like grayish.
Yeah, the green.
It's actually brownish.
Yeah, I know it's brownish, but it's kind of grayish on the edge.
So you're happy with the cat, Kuya? Are you happy with the cat, Bunso? You don't look happy. I don't think you're happy. You don't look happy.
If he's not happy, he doesn't talk too much about the cat, and people get mad at him now.
That's just because I don't.
You know what you both look like? You look like cat and dog. Fight all the time.
Like fire and water, they don't mix. remember. No trust.
Well, as long as she's gonna be happy, that's all matters. Sarap buhay, oh.
Ayan ang good spot.
So, for some reason, gustong-gusto niyang matulog dito sa hagdanan. Ayaw niya doon sa bed niya. Ayaw niya din doon sa couch. Gusto niya dito. At ganyan siya matulog. Second day niya na. Mukhang komportable na naman siya. Parang ang sakit sa katawan ng itsura niya. Ang cute-cute niya, promise. Haba ng tail niya, oh. Ganyan po siya matulog. Nakabaluktot. At mamayang gabi, gising na naman siya. Gusto niya makipaglaro. So yan. Pangalawang araw niya na. Medyo okay na siya. Hindi nagaanong mailap. Luna. Para siyang mantika matulog. Kahit ibalik ko siya doon, tulog pa din siya. So, dyan siya natutulog. Umaakit talaga siya sa hagdanan para dyan matulog.